Borax, a name that might seem old-fashioned or even forgotten by some. It's a name that may conjure images of dusty boxes tucked away on high shelves, long neglected and gathering dust. But this humble powder holds a surprising number of uses around the home. Forget fancy, expensive cleaners. Borax is a versatile and effective solution that has stood the test of time. Borax is a natural, budget-friendly powerhouse that has been making life easier for generations. Its uses span from cleaning to preserving, and it has been a trusted household staple for many families. For centuries, borax has been prized for its cleaning and preserving properties. Its history is rich, dating back to ancient times when it was first discovered and utilized. This naturally occurring mineral boasts a unique chemical makeup that makes it a versatile ally in the quest for a cleaner, healthier home. Its crystalline structure and chemical properties allow it to tackle a variety of household tasks with ease. From tackling stubborn laundry stains to banishing unwanted pests, borax is truly a jack of all trades. Its effectiveness in various applications makes it an indispensable tool in any household. But why is borax making a comeback? In recent years, there has been a renewed interest in natural and eco-friendly cleaning solutions. In a world increasingly concerned about harsh chemicals and their impact on our health and the environment, borax offers a gentler, more natural alternative. Its non-toxic nature makes it a safer choice for families and pets. Join us as we rediscover the magic of borax and explore its many applications in the modern home. From cleaning to crafting, borax is proving once again that sometimes the old ways are the best ways. Tired of dingy whites and stubborn odors clinging to your laundry? Borax is here to revolutionize your laundry routine. This natural mineral works wonders as a laundry booster, brightening whites, neutralizing odors, and even softening hard water. Add half a cup of borax to your regular laundry detergent for a boost of cleaning power. Borax helps to break down residues from hard water and detergent buildup, leaving your clothes cleaner and brighter. Say goodbye to dingy whites and hello to vibrant colors. Borax is also a natural deodorizer, effectively neutralizing musty smells and leaving your laundry smelling fresh and clean. For stubborn odors, try soaking your laundry in a borax solution before washing. Simply add a cup of borax to a tub of cool water and let your clothes soak for 30 minutes to an hour before washing as usual. Borax isn't just for laundry day. It's a versatile cleaning agent that can tackle grime and dirt throughout your home. From scrubbing bathroom surfaces to refreshing carpets, borax can replace a whole arsenal of expensive cleaning products. Create a simple, all-purpose cleaner by dissolving 2 teaspoons of borax in 4 cups of hot water. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and use it to clean countertops, sinks, appliances, and more. The borax helps to cut through grease, grime, and soap scum, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. For tougher cleaning jobs, make a paste with borax and water. Apply the paste to stubborn stains, mildew, or soap scum. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrub with a sponge or brush. Borax's gentle abrasive action will lift away dirt and grime without scratching surfaces. Beyond its cleaning prowess, borax boasts a surprising array of additional uses around the home. From keeping pesky ants at bay to unclogging drains, borax offers a natural and effective solution for everyday household challenges. Ants marching into your kitchen? Borax can help. Mix equal parts borax and sugar and place the mixture in shallow containers near areas where you see ants. The sugar attracts the ants, while the borax acts as a natural insecticide, eliminating the infestation. Borax can also help to unclog drains and eliminate unpleasant odors. Pour half a cup of borax down the drain, followed by 2 cups of boiling water. Let the mixture sit for 30 minutes to an hour, then flush with hot water. The borax helps to break down grease, hair, and other debris clogging the drain. Safety first. Handling borax with care. While borax is a natural product, it's important to handle it with care and use it responsibly. Always store borax out of reach of children and pets. Avoid contact with eyes, and be sure to wash your hands thoroughly after handling borax. When using borax for cleaning, wear gloves to protect your skin. Avoid mixing borax with other cleaning products, as this can create harmful fumes. Always follow the directions on product labels and use borax in well-ventilated areas. Remember, borax is not intended for internal consumption. Keep borax away from food preparation areas and wash surfaces thoroughly after using borax. By following these simple safety precautions, you can enjoy the many benefits of borax without any risk. Debunking the myths. Borax safety concerns addressed. There are many misconceptions surrounding the safety of borax. Some people worry that borax is a harsh chemical that can harm their health or the environment. However, borax is a naturally occurring mineral that has been used safely for generations. It is mined directly from the earth and has been a staple in household cleaning for over a century. It's important to note that borax is not the same as boric acid. While both are derived from boron, they have different chemical compositions and uses. Boric acid is more potent than borax and is typically used as an insecticide. Borax, on the other hand, is generally considered safer for household use. It is often used in laundry detergents as a multi-purpose cleaner and even in DIY crafts. When used as directed, borax is a safe and effective cleaning agent. It is biodegradable and does not accumulate in the environment, making it an eco-friendly choice for your home. By choosing borax over harsh chemical cleaners, you can create a healthier home for your family and the planet. It is a versatile and reliable option for those looking to reduce their environmental footprint. Borax can be used in various ways around the house, from cleaning surfaces to deodorizing carpets. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any household cleaning arsenal. When used responsibly, borax poses minimal risk to health and the environment. Always follow the instructions on the packaging to ensure safe and effective use. In conclusion, borax is a safe, natural, and eco-friendly cleaning agent that has stood the test of time. It offers a sustainable alternative to many commercial cleaning products that contain harsh chemicals. By incorporating borax into your cleaning routine, you can contribute to a healthier home environment and a cleaner planet. Choose borax for a safer, greener, and more effective cleaning solution. DIY delights. Easy borax recipes for a healthier home. Borax is a versatile and natural mineral that can be used in various ways to keep your home clean and healthy. It's an eco-friendly alternative to many commercial cleaning products, and it's easy to use. Ready to put borax to work in your home? Let's explore some simple and effective recipes that you can make with just a few ingredients. Here are a few easy DIY recipes to get you started. These recipes are not only cost-effective, but also free from harsh chemicals, making them safe for your family and the environment. Homemade laundry detergent. Combine 2 cups of borax, 2 cups of washing soda, and 1 bar of grated soap. This mixture is powerful enough to tackle tough stains and odors, yet gentle on fabrics. Mix well and store in an airtight container. This will keep your detergent fresh and ready to use whenever you need it. Use 1/4 cup per load of laundry. This amount is sufficient for a regular load, but you can adjust it based on the size and dirtiness of your laundry. All-purpose cleaning spray. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of borax in 4 cups of hot water. This solution is perfect for cleaning various surfaces around your home. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a refreshing scent. Essential oils not only add a pleasant aroma, but also have additional cleaning properties. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and use it to clean countertops, sinks, appliances, and more. It's a versatile cleaner that can handle a variety of messes. Carpet deodorizer. Combine 1 cup of borax with 1 cup of baking soda. This mixture is excellent for neutralizing odors and keeping your carpets smelling fresh. Sprinkle the mixture liberally over your carpets, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then vacuum thoroughly. This allows the borax and baking soda to absorb any unpleasant odors. The borax and baking soda will absorb odors, leaving your carpets smelling fresh and clean. With these simple borax recipes, you can maintain a healthier home environment without relying on harsh chemicals. Borax in your emergency kit. Preparedness for the unexpected. In an emergency situation, having a well-stocked emergency kit can make all the difference. Borax is a valuable addition to any emergency kit, offering a variety of uses in a pinch. Use borax to create a hand-washing station by mixing a solution of borax and water. Borax's natural antibacterial properties can help to keep your hands clean when soap and water are scarce. In the event of a power outage, borax can be used to create a makeshift toilet. Sprinkle borax into a bucket or container and use it to collect waste. The borax will help to control odors and bacteria. Rediscovering simplicity. Embracing borax for a cleaner, greener life. In a world of endless choices and overwhelming marketing, it's refreshing to rediscover the simplicity and effectiveness of a time-tested household staple like borax. This versatile mineral offers a natural, budget-friendly, and environmentally sound alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. By embracing borax and its many uses, we can simplify our lives, reduce our environmental impact, and create a healthier home for ourselves and our families. So, the next time you're at the store, pick up a box of borax and rediscover the magic of this forgotten household hero.